Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan KAWA. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Brazilian wool to make a wig, guys. Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So firstly, what I did, I put the cap on the manicure head and I cut the net, the lace. I bought this lace in AliExpress, guys. So I bought 1 yard, so I'm just cutting it a little by little just to make a wig. So I just cut a little one out of it and place it in the area I'm going to be braiding later. Okay, so yes, that's what I'm doing. So after sewing the lace on the cap, so I just go ahead and remove it from the manicure head and remove the excess one, like as you can see guys, I remove it and I'm going to place it back on the manicure head, and after I'll go ahead and start braiding. I'm going to be showing you how I braid it, guys. I go off camera to braid it first, so I'm going to be showing you what I did just to braid it. Yeah, this one you don't need closure, guys, so I just go ahead, use these two colors together, and that's what I did. Okay, so I'm going to pick my pin and just go ahead and take the Brazilian wool one by one and place it on the lace. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you, and after I'm going to be going off camera and do the remaining hair. Okay, I'm going to be weaving the front, and at the back I'm going to be doing one at the back. Okay, for the video not to be too long, I'm going to go ahead and do the back, and when I'm finished I'm just going to show you how I did the back at the end of the video. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'm not going to be talking throughout this video, guys. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy this video and learn something out of the video. And yeah, please, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please share my video, guys. Share my video with your loved ones, with your friends and family. Okay, so please, thank you so much for always coming back and support me. Okay, God Almighty will also support you in one way or the other. Thank you so much, guys. So I just pick it one and use my pin to add it up on the lace. So this is how it looks after adding it up. So I'll be taking one also just to weave it. Okay, I'm going to be doing inner weaving. This is what I did, guys. There is nothing much on this weaving, guys. This is what I did. I'm going to just be adding one Brazilian wool to it, one. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing until I'm done weaving. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So I'm going to be leaving you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye. I love you guys.